Breathing easy. Tips for keeping the air clean in your home. Maintaining a clean and fresh environment at home is essential for good health and well-being. One of the primary ways to achieve this is by ensuring that the air quality in our homes is clean and healthy. Here are some effective ways to keep the air in your home clean. 1. Keep your home clean and clutter-free. Regular cleaning of your home is the first step to maintaining clean air quality. Dust and other pollutants can accumulate on surfaces, furniture, and flooring. Regular vacuuming, dusting, and wiping surfaces can help prevent the buildup of pollutants in your home. 2. Ensure proper ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining good air quality in your home. Ensure that your home has proper ventilation by opening windows, using exhaust fans, and installing a fresh air intake. This helps to improve air circulation and reduces the accumulation of pollutants. 3. Use air purifiers. Air purifiers are an excellent investment for improving air quality in your home. These devices are designed to capture airborne pollutants such as dust, pollen, and pet dander, ensuring that the air you breathe is clean and fresh. 4. Control humidity levels. High humidity levels can lead to the growth of mold and mildew, which can have a negative impact on air quality. Use a dehumidifier to control moisture levels in your home and prevent the growth of mold and mildew. 5. Avoid smoking indoors. Cigarette smoke contains numerous harmful chemicals that can pollute the air in your home. Avoid smoking indoors, and if you must, smoke in a well-ventilated area. 6. Use natural cleaning products. Harsh chemicals in cleaning products can contribute to poor air quality. Use natural cleaning products that are free of harsh chemicals to maintain good air quality in your home. In conclusion, maintaining good air quality in your home is crucial for your health and well-being. By following the above tips, you can ensure that the air in your home is clean and healthy, promoting a comfortable and refreshing environment.